A very welcome back to you, parent creators. Yes, what if I told you that your small channel could actually blow up better than or faster than you ever imagined using something you have been using, but it's just that in this video we'll just like to amplify it some more, give you some guidance and clarity on how you can actually use this your friend. Yes, I call this particular thing your friend because all of us will use it. We all use it. Yes, I can imagine how frustrating it is, putting so much into a video like I'm doing right now. You spend days editing, going back and forth, and then by the end of the day, you put that video out there. Day 1, 3 views. Day 2, 5 views. Day 3, 8 views. I really know how it's frustrating. It could be demoralizing. It could be heartbreaking. At some point, you may even think, this place is actually not for me. But I tell you, it is for you. Like I would always say to you, my parent creators, this space is work in progress, right? It is work in progress. I know some people come on here and they tell you, oh, my channel blew up in 2 days, in 2 weeks. My channel blew up in 1 month. It's happening here. But I tell you, the growth that you go through here, systematically, tactically and technically, adds so much to you. Every day I get to learn on the street and I come back and put it out there. I don't gatekeep. You guys know that I don't gatekeep. So in this video, I would like to show you just that one thing you're using, but let's just amplify it some more, okay? Hang on as we dive into the video proper. I'm just going to be showing you 7 ways you can use your Chatgpt. Yes, Chatgpt, you heard me very right. How you can recreate so much from your Chatgpt and then put it into your video, and you see a lot of differences. There's something I have tried. I used to use Chatgpt in the literary form, just put in, okay, I want this, it gives me the answer. But I tell you something, Chatgpt is a platform where it gives to you as much as you feed it with. It gives to you as much as you feed it with. Now I'm on Chatgpt, so let's go. What's on your mind today? I'm going to click on the plus button, the plus point. You're saying take photo, you're saying add photos and files, right? So I'm clicking on add photos and files. Remember, I've already designed my thumbnail. All I want to do now is to ask Chatgpt to rate it for me. If I use this thumbnail, what's the possibility of this thumbnail bringing me clickable views, right? So you push it back to chat and let chat rate it for you. It's going to give you your strength, your weaknesses on what you have created. Okay, so we click on photos and whatever photo library. I'm going to come choose a thumbnail. I'm choosing this one, add it, then I'll put a prompt. Kindly rate this thumbnail as I intend to get 100K views using this alongside my SEO titles and the rest. Okay, you send it. Now chat is going to, let's say, mark it. It's going to mark this thumbnail for you. Exactly. Thanks for sharing your thumbnail. Let me break it down for you in terms of clickability, clarity, and appeal. So you are aiming for maximum attention and 100K views. Direct, isn't it? Now let's go. It would always start with your strength, what you did well, so that you can maintain what you did well. Then it will give you your weaknesses so that you can go and correct. I'm very sure you're smiling right now because you never ever saw this coming. You never did this. You didn't even know of it. This is a new knowledge you just acquired. Tell me the truth. Write it down in the comment section. I just acquired a new knowledge. Thank you, wholesome. So let's go look at the strength. It says bold text. The large black font is easy to read and eye-catching. Human face. Your smiling face acts relatability and trust. Face performs well on thumbnails. Did you hear that? YouTube icon. Clock graphic. Really relevant to the watch hour theme, so it visually connects with your title. You're talking about watch hour, so the clock just relates directly to that. Areas to improve. Too much text. Check your watch hour after life like this is long and overwhelming. Did you hear that? On small screens like mobile, it may be hard to read quickly. These are the little things that we do without knowing that they are the ones killing, our views. Check or see your watch hours fast. Check watch hours after life or see your watch hours fast. Font, weights, and contrast. While bold, the text blends a bit with the busy background. A slight white outline or shadow would make it pop. Cluster. You have 3 different message elements: the main text, the subscribe button, small text at the bottom. It risks distracting viewers. Suggestion: keep one big main message plus one small supporting element. Did you hear that? Small bottom text. We are the scapegoat, so learn from us. It's almost unreadable in thumbnail size. Either remove or turn it into a hook in your video title stroke description. Did you hear that? Rating for variability. Current design 3.5/5. Good but crowded. So it's not like the thumbnail is bad, but it's too crowded, it's too busy. With fixes, shorter text, more contrast, less cluster, it will give it a 5/5. So this is what I want you to be doing henceforth, okay? Using your Chatgpt. Don't just go say, hey, I want title, I want description, and then you run with them. The next hack is going to be our titles and our description.